Hi guys, I'm a civil engineer by profession, and since madami akong oras ngayon, I decided na magbigay ng math tutorial, and we're going to start with, for our lesson 1, we are going to have algebra, and specifically integers. So integers by definition is integers are all positive whole numbers, zero, and also including negative whole numbers. Okay, so yun ang integers. And let's go straight to addition of integers. So in addition, there are two cases. So case 1 is when both signs are matching. Example, our example is, say, -5 plus -3. Since both signs are matching, ang magiging solution natin is parang i-add lang natin normally itong dalawa and then copy the sign. Okay, it's just like it's like normal addition, and then you copy the sign of the both integers. So example number 1. Example number 2, -7 plus -5. So anong sagot saan? Kung sagot mo ay -12, you are correct because both signs are matching. They're both negative. So you just add them normally and then you copy the sign. So it's -12. Okay. Case number 2 is when signs don't match. Ibig sabihin, yung isa is positive and then yung isa is negative. Okay, para mas maintindihan natin, let's have an example. Example number 3 is, say for example, -7 plus 2. So pag ganito, yung signs don't match, yung isa negative, yung isa positive, ang gagawin natin is i-subtract natin yung numbers and then copy natin yung number na may yung sign ng number na mas malaki. Say for example, -7 plus 2, you just have to subtract them first. 7 minus 2 is 5, and then you copy the sign ng mas malaking number. So mas malaking 7 plus 2, 7 sa 2, so kakopy natin yung sign ng 7, so it's -5. Okay, this is our answer. Example number 4, -4 plus 6. Since hindi sila magkapareho, ang gagawin natin is subtract natin sila. So that's 6 minus 4 is 2, right? And since mas malaki yung 6 sa 4 and yung sign ng 6 is positive, so ang sagot natin is positive 2 or just 2. So understood naman na yun na positive. So ayun. Okay, let's have another example. Example number 5. 4 plus negative 3. Again, signs don't match. This is positive and this is negative. So, pag ganun ang ina-add natin, isa-subtract natin sila. So, 4 minus 3 is 1. And then you copy the sign of the bigger number. So, mas malaking 4 sa 3. So, this is positive 1 or just 1. Last example for this. 7 plus negative 10. So, again, di sila magkapareho. So, isa-subtract natin. So, that's 10 minus 7. Ilalagay ko na 10 minus 7 is equals to 3. Tapos, copy the sign of the bigger number. So, 10 is bigger than 7. So, negative 3. Okay? So, ngayon, tapos na tayo sa addition. Let's go naman sa subtraction. Subtraction naman tayo. So, sa subtraction naman is parang may kinalaman yung addition na cases. Kasi sa subtraction, ang gagawin natin is i-change natin siya into addition. And then, i-change natin yung sign nung number after the subtraction sign para mas maintindihan natin. Example, paano ba to? 7. So, 8 minus 3. So, ang 8 is positive, ang 3 is positive din. So, ang gagawin natin, di ba, subtraction muna, then go to addition by changing the sign of the number after the subtraction sign. So, ito yung subtraction sign natin, di ba? So, ang gagawin natin is 8, go to addition, plus, change the sign of the number after this subtraction sign. So, from positive 3, magiging negative 3 siya. Okay? Tapos, di ba kanina, pag nag-change tayo ng signs don't match, ang gagawin natin is is-subtract natin siya. So, that's 5. Tapos, copy the sign of the bigger number. So, normally, parang normal lang naman to. 8 minus 3 is 5. So, mas pinahaba ko lang kasi mas magagamit natin to pag ganito na yung example. So, negative 4 minus 6. Negative 4. Tapos, from subtraction to addition. And then, change 6, positive 6 to negative 6. So, ang magiging sagot is negative 10. Kasi, both signs, yung i-add mo. So, 4 plus 6, and then copy the sign of the both integers. Okay? Example 8. Example number 9. 9 minus negative 4. So, ang gagawin natin is 9, proceed to addition, and then change the sign of this number after the subtraction sign. So, this is going to be from negative 4, magiging 4 na siya, which is equals to 13. Okay? Again, ang gagawin natin from subtraction, proceed to addition, and change the sign of the number after the subtraction sign. So, ito. Di ba ito yung problem natin? Subtraction. Then, change to addition. Ito, from subtraction, nagiging addition na siya. Tapos, change the sign of the number after the subtraction sign. So, kasi after the subtraction sign, yung number na after ng subtraction sign is ito. So, since negative 4 siya, gagawin natin siyang positive 4 and then proceed to the normal process of addition which was taught at this part. Okay? Last example. Example number 10. Negative 6 minus negative 2. So, negative 6, proceed to addition. Change the sign of the number after this. So, it's going to be 2. It's going to be 2 from negative to positive. So, normal process of addition, since hindi sila magkapareho, you have to subtract them. So, that's 4. And then, copy the sign of the bigger number, which is 6. So, negative 4 ang ating sagot. So, I'm gonna give you exercises and hopefully i-pause nyo yung video na to and sagutan nyo. And then, I will post a video na nandun yung answer key. Okay, nandun yung answers. I-discuss natin yung answers and hopefully nakuha nyo. And you can just replay the video para mas maintindihan ninyo. So, that's it for today and see you sa next lesson natin, which is our next lesson. Lesson number 2 is about multiplication and division of integers. And if you have lessons na gusto nyo i-cover natin, you can just comment it and we'll see kung pwede natin agad na gawa ng video. So that's it and thank you and see you sa next lesson.